friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today we will see legal aptitude question with answer. So we will see question number 1. Which is the oldest code of law in India? Answer is Manusmriti. Question number 2. Private international law is also called. Answer is conflict of laws. Question number 3. Joint heirs to a property are called. Answer is coparcenor. Question number 4. Indian Parliament is based on the principle of. Answer is bicameralism. Question number 5. The Supreme Court held that evidence can be recorded by video conferencing in the case. Answer is State of Maharashtra versus Praful B. Desai. Question number 6. When the master is held liable for the wrongful act of his servant, the liability is called. Answer is vicarious liability. Question number 7. The act of unlawfully entering into another's property constitutes. Answer is trespass. Question number 8. Supreme Court held that preamble as a basic feature of Constitution cannot be amended in the case of. Answer is Keshavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. Question number 9. A right to recover a time barred debt is. Answer is imperfect right. Question number 10. The law relating to prisoners of war has been codified by. Answer is Geneva Convention. Question number 11. Public holidays are declared under. Answer is Negotiable Instrument Act. Question number 12. When a person is prosecuted for committing a criminal offense, the burden of proof is on. Answer is prosecution. Question number 13. Husband and wife have a right to each other company. The right is called. Answer is conjugal rights. Question number 14. A person dying intestate means he. Answer is died without making a will. Question number 15. A child born after father's death is. Answer is posthumous. Question number 16. The temporary release of a prisoner is called. Answer is parole. Question number 17. A party to the suit is called. Answer is litigant. Question number 18. No one can be convicted twice for the same offense. This doctrine is called. Answer is double jeopardy. Question number 19. Where is the National Judicial Academy located? Answer is Bhopal. Question number 20. Who has the constitutional right to the audience in all Indian court? Answer is Attorney General. Question number 21. Court of record is a court which. Answer is can punish for its contempt. Question number 22. A judge of the Supreme Court can be removed from office only on grounds of. Answer is proven misbehavior, incapacity. Question number 23. Fiduciary relationship means a relationship based on. Answer is trust. Question number 24. The concept of judicial review has been borrowed from the Constitution of. Answer is USA. Question number 25. Every duty enforceable by law is called. Answer is obligation. Question number 26. The killing of a newborn child by its parents is a. Answer is infanticide. Question number 27. What is caveat? Caveat means answer is a warning. Question number 28. A person who goes underground or evade the jurisdiction of the court is known as, answer is absconder. Question number 29. India became the member of United Nations in the year, answer is 1945. Question number 30. A formal instrument by which one person empowers another to represent him is known as, answer is power of attorney. Question number 31. Right to education is a fundamental right emanating from right to, answer is life and personal liberty under Article 21. Question number 32. The Constitution names our country as, answer is India, that is Bharat. Question number 33. The Constitution provides that Hindi shall be, answer is the official language of Union of India. Question number 34. What is minimum permissible age according to the Constitution of India for employment in any factory or mine? Answer is 14 years. Thank you friends and best of luck.